Once upon a time, not so long ago, Mike was a field inspector in rural Colorado. Every day he traveled long distances through small towns, climbing utility poles with a harness, carrying a camera and a notebook. He would manually sort film rolls and write reports by hand. Today, pole inspections are completely different. Liam manages inspections for a large American company using drones. Instead of climbing poles, drones fly precisely and automatically above them, planning each mission based on the pole's shape. Photos are geolocated, organized, and automatically uploaded. No more manual sorting. Data is instantly sent to the cloud, accessible for searching and analysis. These structured inspections allow Liam's team to detect changes, monitor deterioration, and plan repairs before failures occur. Automated systems enable daily inspections across even the most remote lines without pilots and risk. Drone Harmony provides a scalable platform for inspections, shifting from paper to cloud, from climbing to commanding drones. Learn more at droneharmony.com or contact us for a demo.